there, and there. This does not, because this is vacuum secondary. Okay, so let me see your little pliers. So actually, give me those. Give me the little ones. Give me the little ones.
Dr. Bobby's.
Freelance gynecology.
Should we go? Because you touched the side.
I suck at that game. Okay, that's out.
What's the name that's come out of there?
Operation.
Operation.
We're gonna go, but we're not gonna.
That is for the accelerator pump. There's a check ball in there, which we'll deal with later. Here's the boing boing for the accelerator pump.
I was gonna say, I thought that was the accelerator pump.
What?
This is pulled out. Yeah.
That's the spring for the accelerator pump.
Right.
That's where the check ball is for the flow for the squirter.
Got it.
So there's jets down here, front and rear. And then here we got to get this out as well. We have screwdriver, bigger Phillips, wider Phillips, flat.
Phillips?
Flat, sorry.
It's alright.
You had to take a duty.
Wasn't that the name of the cowboy in Toy Story?
Well, that's Woody.
Oh,
That's Woody.
I'm like, you guys can move it.
I'm thinking of Howdy Doody.
Howdy doody. Similar. Come on, you
I guess we
fucker.
don't need the plastic, right?
Okay, that's there.
What was that joke? What's the difference between a Catholic priest and Woody from Toy Story? Woody goes limp when a child walks in the room.
Scotty had one that was even better the other day.
I bet.
Poltergeist 2, where they call the devil to get the priest out of the child.
Yeah.
That's bad. That one's horrible. All right, I'm taking out the jets too. It's hard to see.
What about Benny? You leaving him in?
Benny and the jets. Oh, look at that. I got the jets out. I got the little damper thingy out. I'm gonna get the other jets out here. All right, so I had a client that had one of these carbs on his Buick. I'll tell the story.
Yeah.
He's a client I don't like anymore because he's the guy that called other people's cars clown cars, but he's a fucking clown.
That's good. It kills me.
Anyway,
Gee, was he a judgmental, bitchy old queen?
yes, he was.
I believe we call those. Oh, excuse me.
And he lives in Yucca Valley. Anyway, so he has a lot of cars that have these carburetors. He's got a lot of Buicks. One of them was leaking, and he's like, I don't know why it's leaking. Well, whoever rebuilt it's been leaking ever since I had it rebuilt. Whoever rebuilt it dropped the main body,
Ooh.
and this right here, from here to here, was bent. It was like bent down. So it's all put together, and it's like you just drive along. It's just like pissing fuel outside. It's like, yeah. I'm just like, oh God, are you blind? Okay, so a little bit sludgy. So here are the two check balls. One was in the backside here, in that hole, and the larger one is in here, in this hole. So there's your two check balls. Here's our jets. There's obviously going to be different sizes. Those are the primaries. And those are the secondaries. Yes, so we'll set them aside. Okay, that's out and done. Everything on the top here is done. Now we need to flip her over. We need a really big... Yeah, it'll be all right. Okay. Oh, it'll be fine. It's good. Okay. Here's my question. These are your idle mixture screws. Note how they're pretty much bottomed out. So it's set really lean. Like, I got a turn and a half out of it, which isn't bad. I usually set those 1.5 to 2 turns when we start, and we adjust a little when we get going. So let's pull these out. We are going to need a Phillips. I think it's going to be at least a number 2, maybe a number 3, pretty big Phillips. You get 1, 2, 3 out, and this big honking ass splat head. JJ, how's the filming?
Well, it's fabulous, of course.
Of course it is. A JJ production. Oh, big honking some bitch right out now.
Don't talk about me like I'm not here.
Andre. I heard you like big screws.
It's a little small.
Yeah. Well, you know. Mike.
Too big?
I think that's the winner, buddy. Pop those 3. JJ, you're not covering the screen lens, are you, with your finger?
No.
No, not anymore.
So, do you know if the GM cars, let's say 56, are they all use interchangeable carburetors?
A
Or were they
lot.
unique to the.
Some of them are unique, like the Buicks have the stomp start, where you have to floor it and it engages the starter.
Okay. Oh, even that late?
Up into the late 50s, like 1960, 61
Wow. Okay.
ish. But they're all similar.
Right. But they're not interchangeable.
No, because the linkages and stuff, it's a big pain in the ass. That's why it's like, I like it when you can just slap a Holly on it and call it good. It's neat. Okay, so this is coming off.
Wow.
Look at that. That gasket's very nice because you just said it was just redone.
So that's a pretty much a new gas.
So let's keep this so we can play match game later. So this is pretty much ready to go to get cleaned up. I mean, we can take the throttle butterflies out and pull the shafts out. You don't need to do that. That's a lot of work. Especially for this, you don't need to do that. So that's ready to get cleaned. Wick, how's the ultrasonic looking?
97.
All right. That's good enough to throw that in there. And let's get our float bowl screws out.
And so the ultrasonic just cleans it really well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a giant liquid vibrator.
Wow.
Yeah.
Depends on which hole you put it in.
Jesus Christ.
You knew that was coming. We
JJ,
just
are
knew.
you covering the thing again with your finger?
No, he's covering the light.
I'm just like, I'm
We should have a little
I'm
stand.
trying to be a director.
We should have a little tripod.
Okay,
Oh,
there's
that's
the fuel
okay.
bowl. This guy can go in the drink. Andre, would you like to take that to the juice? Don't drop it like dingleberries. Because you're never going to find another one of those. Well, you will, but it's going to be expensive. Okay, so here we are. The land of floats. We'll wait for Paul.
I mean, this looks brand new.
It's fairly new. It's nice. The rubber's nice.
Well, yeah, the plastic is so white.
Yeah.
The silver is so
I
pretty.
know it's not,
It's not.
discolored or anything.
Right.
It's not completely fucked yet. Okay, so that comes out just like that. That's the old accelerator pump squirter. That's the old seal. Paul, we're gonna pop your floats real quick.
How do you try it?
I know. No, that's sleeping dog's lie.
Literally. You want to always let them do that.
Yeah.
There's 2.
Wow.
Okay, now what you got going, JJ? Okay, here's our needle and seat. Come out. They look pretty good. We have new ones though, so we're good.
Are these rubbers on there? Rubber on
They're nitrile, yeah. Okay. Pop those babies out.
Already have brass floats. That's nice.
Yeah, but he's got new floats too. To put in. Paul, you're gonna have nice spares actually, which would be good to have because
Look.
always hoard as many parts of your car as you can.
Imperial.
See,
Yeah. All right.
Glenn, I'm on Andre's side on this time. Sorry,
Yeah, I'm back.
don't be mad at me.
Yeah, but you gotta keep them together.
Oh yeah, organizations.
Yeah.
Touching my shit, we wouldn't lose it.
Okay, so top gasket
Putting
off.
it everywhere. I don't know if you guys, when you were over, Jim made a lamp out of Imperial tail light
And we're gonna do.
in the bedroom.
Oh, we didn't go
we
to
didn't go
your
in your
bedroom.
That sounds like it's by invite only.
That's what we assume.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really cool.
That's in.
You know, the
Cool.
pod.
That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pull
We
this
made
off
it
for our
yourself.
choke.
So I was bummed when we were walking outside. All those mid-century paintings that you have. I was like, wait, didn't you notice the GTO and the
Yeah, I
Kubota?
totally missed it.
Yeah, and he was like, I missed it.
All right. So now this little plate comes off in
I was
here.
like, two of our brands are.
I know.
Yeah.
Bloop. Phillips. And the choke, it's a heat activated choke. This comes up through the exhaust on the intake side, like the heater that goes underneath the carb. And as it heats up, this moves down accordingly. This little piston.
Is that adjustable?
It is with this little boing boing here. Because the spring heats up. When the spring heats up, it goes like that. And it pushes it.
You push the accelerator pedal down to get it to position. When it heats up, it pops down.
Correct.
The automatic choke seems to be working fine.
Yeah. And we will readjust it accordingly. And of course, we might have to wait till one morning when it's cold. I might have to come over and mess with it at your house just to dial it in a little bit.
Oh, really?
But we'll take care of that. I'll text you. We'll figure it out.
It's like a screw.
Tiny, tiny.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna jet because my leg is,
You're rolling.
my leg is.
It's good to see you, boys.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
We'll see you. Okay.
Longer due to his leg.
Ooh, I remember getting that. I saw like a green and orange glowing coyote because they were not supposed to drive, and I totally had to go to the store to get more beer because I was on some pain pills.
They must have really good pills.
That was a bad fucking idea. What did you do? Oh, dumb shit. Okay, so we got that baby loose. We're not going to pull that out. We can by undoing those and this screw. You know what? Let's just do it.
I understand there's a lot of parts.
Yes, it does.
I hope they all go back together.
They will.
Without any left in.
There's the seat.
Well, I'm sure that screw is somewhere around. We'll just keep looking.
Like, maybe underneath the car somewhere. Get a magnet.
Of course, that one's not going to come out.
Yeah, I've done that before.
Oh man, that sucks.
When you like just walk over here and you just, it's like gas.
It's got a little flavor.
I don't like that smell. No, I don't either, but it's just funny, like, it's night and day difference, like, when you go from over there to here.
Come on, bitch. Okay, that has been jacked up previously.
Do you need a different screwdriver for that?
No, it's just...
Being a bitch.
It's going to be one of those.
Yeah. Sounds like it might just stay in.
Yeah, that's going to be... Let's just leave well enough alone. Where is our brass one? And we need to take this off. Mike, did you like to get a wrench and pop that real quick? I'm pretty sure it's going to be like a 3/4 or 13/16.
Yeah.
Ooh, 3/4, I was right. Calibrated eye. Go. Man, I want to put the box end on it. Might be better.
Yeah.
Get it on there square. Get it on there square. There you go. Go. There you go.
Makes
So how's my
it
nipples?
makes it easier when you're leaning all the way over the table like that too.
That was
Put
added.
your entire body on it.
Okay, get that.
My son blister.
Do we have a little basket wick that we can put the screws in into the ultrasonic?
A little basket?
Or a little something?
Net.
Yeah, we need to just kind of... Something else survive the...
Yeah.
Yeah, we need something like a... to clean that.
Oh, wait, where's that mesh bag? Hold on.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah, you got some for it, didn't you?
Paul, would you like to put this in the juice?
In the
I
juice?
had some
So I can just
clams
drop it like
delivered.
Drop it in the juice, sir.
I had some clams delivered way back when.
Oh, that,
This
won't-
will
that
work.
won't melt down, right?
I was gonna make a clam joke, but then I decided
Yeah, that's
against
not.
Shall we shut it off?
it. No, yeah, we're good.